Morning, everyone. I'm here with Tyler Conron, your Business Development Manager for Ethos Automation. You're based in Brantford. We're day 3 of Hannover. Tyler, tell us a little bit about what Ethos Automation does. And, you're 3 days in. Tell us a little bit about Hannover, how it's been for you, if you don't mind.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Mark. Ethos is an automation company based at Brantford, Ontario. We do turnkey solutions for custom automation for automotive, aerospace, nuclear companies. We'll do everything right from the mechanical engineering all the way through to the turnkey installation, implementation, and installation on the customer's floor. That includes testing and things like simulation here as well. We have mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, programmers, lots of staff, project managers on site as well that really take a customer's vision for what their product and what their process could be, challenge it, refine it, and then make it better for them so that when it hits their floor, it works, they're happy, and then they can really realize their ROI.
And we're here, so their robots are everywhere here.
Yeah.
How are you finding Hannover as a show to be at?
What a huge place. There's so many people to talk to from so many different countries. Like, Norway's the perfect country this year. So many Norwegians have come up and just gotten talking to us about, here's what my process is, here's what I do. We've got yellow robots and orange robots and gray robots, and can you help us pull them all together? Yeah, I'd love to. We would love to do it. The idea of the digital twin, which is what we call simulation, is really incredibly helpful for de-risking a process as we go through it. And that really garnered a lot of attraction from a lot of companies walking by going, hey, maybe you can help me with my problems too.
Because
I'd love to.
Am I right, Tyler? You're the kind of company, you work with major OEMs and they will hold your feet to the fire. But your response, you do this, as you say, the digital twin, the simulation, but you're going to de-risk this so that when the system hits their shop floor, it works, it delivers parts in the cycle time that you said it would.
Yeah.
And that's a pretty high bar to meet, isn't it? So that's
even being the cycle time sometimes. Like, it's interesting that so many people, so many companies don't necessarily realize that there's already a little bit of excess in their process already, and we can find it through that.
And that's presumably with your investment in really advanced simulation tools that a lot of other companies don't have, where you're able to find every second counts, doesn't it? I'm sure it's really valuable.
Yeah.
So do you think you're actually going to do new business as a result of being here at Hannover?
We've already had a lot of conversations that are already, I believe, going to result in business, not only with Canadian companies, with international companies as well. We've had a chat with some people from Winnipeg and Alberta already, just talking about what their problems are. And it's interesting that we had to come all the way across the globe to find each other. But why not? There's something maybe familiar about other Canadians working with each other here at the show.
I think that's a great point, isn't it? That actually a lot of people miss out on just, you put 250 Canadians together for a week, and it's amazing the kind of chemistry and trust that can be developed in that time. Never mind the 4,000 other companies that are coming by.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot, Wendell.